Several exams that were scheduled to happen this summer have now been postponed or cancelled. The latest in that list is the JEE Mains. The Education Minister has come out now to confirm that the JEE Mains exam, which was scheduled from April 27th to 30th, has been postponed due to the surge in COVID-19 cases. Now, as per the National Testing Agency, the revised dates will be announced later, about 15 days prior to the examination. So these JEE Mains have not been cancelled, they've merely been postponed, keeping in light the rise in cases in the last few weeks. Abhishek Anand is joining us with more details on this. Abhishek, bittersweet for the candidates of the JEE Mains. There were a lot of demands that it be scrapped this time because of the fact that we're seeing a second COVID wave, but the government, the National Testing Agency, also has confirmed that it's not scrapped, it's merely postponed, and the next date will be announced soon.
Well, Akshita, the government was in fact immense pressure, with a lot of students actually taking on to social media, requesting time and again the government to postpone the exams as the second wave of COVID in the country, and the situation is actually going out of control across India. None of the states are safe as far as the number of COVID patients are concerned, and the Education Minister has clarified that these exams are not being cancelled, they are merely being postponed, and the new dates will be announced 15 days prior to the next schedule of the exams. And he has also suggested the students to practice well in this period of time and take help of all the apps which are available and prepare from their home. So this is a big relief for the students aspiring for the JEE main exams, and this is a move from the government in the cases, as the cases are rising. This was a move from the government which was very well accepted by the entire students who are aspiring for JEE.
Yes. There's no doubt this was the need of the hour, keeping in mind the dire and grim situation at hand in the country. Abhishek, thank you for